I'm with Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio, and welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Alright, we have a microwave with a bad magnetron in it, so we're going to replace the magnetron and diode. And the first thing we're going to do is remove the microwave so that we can gain access to the components. And there are 4 mounting screws that hold it in. We'll take those out and then remove the microwave to work on it easier. I always take the turntable out just to make it a little lighter and not break it. So now that we have those removed, we'll slide our microwave out a little bit so we can get at the power cord. And we'll just rotate it. There's our cord. Now, out comes the microwave. Alright, to gain access to the magnetron, it's behind this panel, so we're going to remove all the screws that hold that panel on. Put that to the side. And then there's 2 more on the back. Now we can remove this panel. And the magnetron is still back behind here. So we'll take these couple bolts or screws off. And remove this panel. And now we have access to our magnetron, our diode and capacitor. The first thing we're going to do before we do anything else is discharge our capacitor to make sure that any stored energy is gone. So we'll just short this out between the terminals. And now we can begin to remove the magnetron and diode assembly. We're going to remove the magnetron now, and the first thing I'm going to do is unplug it and then unplug the connectors to the magnetron thermostat. Now we can remove the 1 bolt for the mounting screw, and then we'll remove the other 4 mounting screws for the magnetron. Now we'll remove the remaining mounting screws. With all those removed, we can now remove the Magnetron, and we'll transfer the Magnetron thermostat to our new one. So the first thing we'll do is replace our Magnetron thermostat. And tighten that down. Now we can remount our Magnetron. Get one started. Line up the other side. And tighten the other ones. And our final one. Now we can plug our Magnetron thermostat wires back in. Plug our Magnetron in. And replace our last screw on our wave guide. Tighten that up. There we go. And then we'll replace our cover and reattach our screws. Oh, and now we'll replace our last panel. And put our screws back in. Thank you for watching another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.